What's up guys, CC here. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is December 27, but it's a gloomy day out. Just get out the house saying let's do something, but there's nothing to do. It's just rainy all day. It's raining. It's not pretty out, but I don't know what we're gonna get into today, but stick around and enjoy the vlog. Hopefully you guys could catch up on the last vlogs that I did, vlogmas, and join the family, subscribe. It's raining. My gosh. God, I wish it wasn't raining. It just ruined the whole day. I going right there.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world.
Hey guys, it's the next day. Welcome back to the channel. It's the 27th. We came on the road to do some exchange for a store and just to check out some other stores. So right now we're at the meat shop, trying to find like wholesale affordable meat. We got the cat litter already, but we need cat food. So yeah, I'm over the day. It's about probably after 2 right now, and I need for the day. I need breakfast, I need lunch. This is what I eat. Bad, but yeah. So I need to go home and find something to eat. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Time to check out this wholesale store, but I low-key trying to see if they have Jamaican stuff. I see Jamaican cheese so far though. Okay, this is nice. It's pet stuff. We should have found these. Like, this is nice. It's just a mat, but how much is it? These things don't have the price on them. Anyways, trying to get cat litter and cat food. Some more scratching posts for the cats. This is not a cat store or a pet store, but it has more variety than the actual pet store. But this is what I was looking for at the pet store. The water dispenser. These things ain't got no prices on them. Hey! Okay guys, I'm back home. This was the fit for the day. White pants. And I love this top. Had this a long time, but it still looks good. But my head is killing me. Head is hurting because I took too long to eat. Remember, I was telling you guys I didn't eat breakfast, I didn't eat lunch. Came home around 3 and eat then, but by that time my head was already killing me. And this is something I do normal, like I don't know why I do this to myself, but I don't like making breakfast. I don't like doing breakfast. At that point I'm not hungry, but a few hours later I'm hungry, and then either I'm at work, I'm out already, and you know, I don't want to buy food and stuff like that, so I just don't eat. And then lunchtime, I usually eat way after lunchtime. It's just a bad habit that I need to get out of. But right now, my head is killing me. So we don't have to do any dinner because we have leftover. We still have the turkey, we still have the curry wings and all that good stuff. So thank God I don't have to cook. And you might say I have all this food in the fridge and I just don't eat because, as I said, I'm not hungry in the mornings. I'm not hungry in the mornings. And when I'm hungry, like after 11, 12 o'clock, it still take forever to eat. But anyways, I'm gonna bathe and relax, watch some TV or something. Oh, I need to go on the computer and do some email checking. I'm still looking for a job hunting and stuff like that. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm Cece. I just moved from Freeport, Bahamas to Nassau, Bahamas, and I'm an accounts clerk, and I'm looking for a job in Nassau. That process has been long, and I've been on interview, but you know, you gotta keep looking, keep searching, keep doing what you have to do until you lock down a job, you know. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip or for the next day. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's the 28th. I think it's the 28th. And I've been home all day, been in the house all day, working, cleaning, washing, chilling. And I say I haven't vlogged all day, so let me pick up the camera. But I'm cleaning up the kitchen. I'm gonna wash the dishes and take out some food to warm because we're still eating that turkey. Still eating that jerked turkey. It was good. So good. I think I'm gonna post that video tomorrow. So yes, that video is gonna be up before this. But that's what I'm doing, and I have makeup on because I was just doing a video. I did a makeup video. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm going to listen to my Judge Judy while I do the dishes.
For the remainder balance of the 23,600.
Still drinking my eggnog.
The event. So at the end of it was the event.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's December 31st. Just got out the shower, looking a little crazy right now, but trying to find something to wear and somewhere to go to bring in the New Year's. Like, I don't normally like going out this time of year, but because you know it's get crazy, like Christmas Day, New Year's Day, Christmas Eve, these people is act crazy. But Happy New Year's to you guys. When you see this, it's gonna be already New Year's, and I wish you guys all the best and ask for God guidance and protection for tonight, tomorrow, and the rest of the New Year's. So keep watching and we'll see where we're going, what we're doing, and all that good stuff. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family. I am so ready for 2023. Hopefully you guys are excited for new adventures and just new beginning in the New Year's. Okay, I just want something to wear my shoes with. I haven't worn it yet, so I'm gonna try and wear this with some black jeans and my white bodysuit. This is out and mesh, and this is yeah, you can see the inside has a bunch of but let's see how that looks. I don't know, but guys, this ain't it. This is the top, the pants, and the shoe, but it doesn't look good as one. It doesn't look good together. I was gonna wear it still, but I'm like, oh. So now I gotta just change my shoes and figure out something else. I don't have a standing mirror, a full body mirror. I hate that. I need one. So I can't believe I can't wear. Like, I want to wear my shoes. I want to finally wear my shoes. So what I gonna wear this with? I don't know. But back to the drawing board. Let's see. So I changed the shoe and I went back to my regular white sneakers, boring. But it's actually the second time wearing this white sneaker, so it's pretty new as well. So this is the top, just sheer and gem all over, turtleneck, and it's a bodysuit as you saw earlier. A little belt, black jeans, and white sneakers with some gold gems. You see, yeah. So yes, I'm wondering if I want to keep my hair up in one. I need to fix the bun. Yeah, need to fix the bun, but that's it. I think I'm basically ready. It's the new year. Oh, it's new. Feeling good? Okay, we're finally leaving the house. I like this filter. Ooh. They keep doing this fireworks. It's way too early. Where the rest? Okay. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Nice. Woo! Happy New Year! Oh, this is pretty. Nice. Perfect timing though. Yeah, we catch it. That is beautiful. Welcome to 2023.